Frustrated by your menu pausing or going black? Extending video lengths manually is a hassle, but there is a better way. Today, I am showing you how to use an Amazon Fire Stick to run a professional animated menu board for absolutely zero monthly fees. We are using a powerful digital signage app that is completely free, has no watermarks, and saves you from those expensive monthly subscriptions. The best part is the native looping. You only need to upload your short animation once, and the app will play it plays forever. You can even schedule different boards for different times. This is perfect if you want to show breakfast and lunch menus on one single TV. By the way, my name is Sally. Let's dive right into the magic. Inside the box, you will find everything you need to get started. The Fire Stick itself, the Alexa voice remote, a power adapter, and the USB power cable. The best part is the flexibility. You can use a brand new smart TV or a standard regular TV. Even that older TV you have in storage will work perfectly, as long as it has a standard HDMI slot on the back. Now let's connect the stick to the TV. This TV has two HDMI ports. I will plug it in the HDMI 1 port. After you plug it in, you will need to select the port as the input from your TV setting. The USB power cable is already connected to the stick. Please do not plug it in your USB port of your TV as the power source. It might not work properly. Let's now plug it into the power outlet. Now, the physical setup is done. After choosing the right HDMI port as the input, you will see this Fire Stick home screen. We will search for a digital signage app from the Find option. Let's search for AbleSign. Download the app. After you open the app, you will see a screen with a code. Visit app.ablesign.tv in your web browser. Create an account, then tap on the screen's menu at the top. Now you will see this screen. Hit the Add Screen button. Type in the code from the TV. The code is one-time use only, and it will be different every time you add a screen. Here you can choose the orientation. I will choose the landscape option. You can name screen 1, 2, and so on if you have multiple screens, and type something in the description if you like. Now we see that one screen is added. Here, I am on the website on the desktop to upload the video files as the files are on my desktop. Click on the Content menu. It's showing some files that I uploaded before. Hit the Upload Files button. We will upload 2 video and 1 image files. Now we are going to display them on the screen. Tap on the screen we created and scroll it down to the Content tab. Tap on the 3 dots, then Add to Playlist. Oops, I accidentally added twice. Let me delete one of them. Now let's save the changes. You can also set up schedules here to display it on certain days and at times. This is great if you want to display different menus on this specific screen. Now it's showing an animated menu, which is a video file. You don't have to extend the video length by looping it. Just upload a short video file, then it'll loop for you. Now, we are going to show a different menu on the same screen. Let me delete this video file from the playlist. Then add this design to the playlist. Now we will try a static menu, which will be an image file. You can check the details of the screen and change the orientation and name in the settings. We are now going to display vertical menus. Let's change the settings. Hit the Save button. Now that we change it to vertical orientation, it looks like this for the horizontal menu. Let's choose Vertical Images to the playlist. Here, you can set up durations of each image. I've increased the video speed so it's now showing less than 10 seconds long. Now they are showing nicely. You just need to rotate the TV later. I'm fast forwarding through this section since it involves some extra navigation that isn't necessary for your setup. Here you can also set up transitions. You can choose different transition styles here. Hit the Save button. Here it showed the transition we used. You need to add screens here if you have more than one screen to use, and repeat the steps we covered so far for each screen, including typing in a one-time use code. Now that we've covered all the essential steps, I encourage you to experiment with these settings to see what works best for your specific menu and restaurant layout. As you scale up, just remember you'll need one Fire Stick for every screen in your restaurant. To set them up, simply repeat the steps we covered for each new device. While there is a small upfront cost for the hardware, it quickly pays for itself. By avoiding those expensive monthly digital signage fees, your Fire Sticks will actually save you money in the long run. For your model choice, the Fire TV Stick HD is perfect for static menus. But if you're using animated menu, I highly recommend the Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Its extra power ensures your animations loop smoothly 24/7 without any lagging or crashing. That wraps up our tutorial. Thank you for joining me. Please hit like and subscribe and tell me in the comments what you want to learn next. To start designing yours today, watch my other tutorials or head to my store for editable templates using the link in the description. I'll see you again very soon. Bye!